What's up, guys? It's the Metal Gamer, and I'm vlogging outside again with
Zikotc game.
Yeah, he's over at my house.
Oh. Like fighting on Everett.
Yeah. I just have to climb over here because I got a video camera. Alright, I might have to put the camera down. Zikotc, what did you just make?
Definitely not white fine powder.
You mean cocaine or meth?
Yeah.
Look at that dog.
It's a wolf.
I'm joking.
Oh, this is hurting.
It's like Minecraft.
Yeah. It is Minecraft.
Alright.
You have to carefully take the substance and put it into a leaf.
Look.
Oh no.
I'm kidding.
This is pure mineral.
Where are the cops at?
I don't know.
Let me check the scan area for cops.
Alright.
Nope, no police here. Oh, I think I found the police.
Where?
Right here.
Oh no.
Because the FBI always watches.
There we go.
Alright.
We got ourselves some fine powder here.
That is some mighty fine good crack. Okay. Oh, okay.
That worked.
Alright, we'll see you later when we're doing something. Okay, guys, so we're back, and we found some things.
Oh! Oh! Let's look at that.
So we just opened
Look at that.
inside a tree. Is that an ant's nest?
I don't know. It's like powder.
It's like cocaine.
Oh!
It's like poop
Your
cocaine.
stick broke. We got a new one now. Oh!
Oh. Okay, I'll open.
Look at all those spider webs.
God, that is a lot of spider webs. Okay, look at all the spider.
I'm hoping the tree breathes now.
Do not take this as nature cruel. Ow.
Never try this at home, kids.
Yeah, do not take this.
Oh.
Even though this looks like.
This is a dead tree, I'm pretty sure.
Even though this looks like, you know,
Wait, this tree's dead.
cruelty.
This is a dead tree, guys, so don't worry. The tree's dead enough. Ready? Watch this. If you get under it. Oh!
I'm gonna kill you.
No!
I'm kidding. My hands are freezing.
Oh, that was... I just touched something really sticky and I don't know what it was. Oh. You're getting this powder on me.
Cool.
Look at all this.
My goodness.
Let's open this up. Ugh. If they get under it, and then boom. You just flick it off. Should I hit it with the tree, see if the bark comes out? Should I hit it with the metal pipe?
We'll see how it goes. Yeah, okay, try the little metal staff thing. It's like,
there we go. Look at that. We're making some progress here. Maybe it's just
okay.
up the bark.
Whoa, shit. Okay, I nearly tripped. Okay, kids, even though this looks kind of illegal, doesn't mean you can do it. Even though you're seeing us do it, kids, that doesn't mean you guys can do it.
Yeah, for all the tree lovers out there, this is not abuse. The tree's already dead.
Yeah, trees aren't real. Trees don't go high.
Yeah. Trees don't have feelings.
I know.
Or do they?
They don't have eyes.
Yep. At least this tree doesn't. Oh my gosh.
Alright, I think we'll see later.
Yeah.
Okay, so what did we just find, Zikotc?
We found a golf ball.
Yeah, buried in that little hole right there.
So now we're gonna make a golf tee. And we're gonna hit it.
Hopefully, yes. Okay, and you just found some things. Don't try to make more cocaine. Okay. Oh, cool.
This is not going well. I have to
Yeah.
find one with the tip. There we go. If we could just balance it. Nope. It's
No, okay, I don't think it's gonna go too well.
Alright, you know what? We're just gonna hit it off the ground.
Yeah, it's okay.
This is my golf club.
Yep, golf
See,
club.
it has the curb right there.
Yes, I do.
Okay, you ready?
3, 2, 1.
That didn't work.
Well, fail.
Let's try that again.
Damn it.
Hole in one.
Not too bad.
This is good golfing.
I should call this one Vlog 6, Surviving Nature with Zikotc again.
Playing golf in nature.
Or something like that.
Could I hit it down there?
Yeah, okay, try it, yeah. Wait, no, I need to, okay, hit it now.
Oh, this is gonna be a clean shot. Oh,
Okay, maybe if I,
no. This is not an accurate golf. Oh!
oh!
It just fell.
I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I'll zoom in.
It almost hit. Almost.
There it is. That sucks. Okay, so we'll be back until we can, yeah. We'll be back until we get the ball. Alright, see ya. Okay guys, so what are you gonna do, Zikotc?
I'm gonna kick this tree.
Okay, let's see if you can. Oh! Oh, shit.
Oh, I just got powder in my eyes.
Oh!
Oh! You got a bunch of termite dust on me. Hey, look, it's all over me. Ugh. I have to take off my jacket.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that was interesting.
Dab cat.
Yeah, dab cat.
That's his shirt, because his cat likes to dab.
I don't have a cat.
Oh, alright.
I have a dog.
Okay.
I used to have.
Okay. Well, Zikotc, look what I found. Well, look what we found.
Another golf ball.
Yeah, you know, Zikotc, I think seeing as these golf balls have been outside, they should have somewhere to live. That is that area. My house.
So what are you gonna do?
Well, I'm gonna put them in my room.
And call them by their own, give them their own names.
Yeah. Well, 'cause they need homes.
Yeah.
They're homeless golf balls, and
they're in need of shelter.
yes, they've been out here for how long?
5 years.
5 years. How are they alive in 5 years?
They ate acorns.
Oh. Well, how did they get warmth?
They hide in the leaves.
Oh yeah. Well, we can't have that happening every night. So yeah, so they were homeless on 2013.
Yeah.
And today on December 27th, 2018, we finally found them.
They were rescued.
And we're going to give them homes.
Yep.
So yes. What did you just find?
I found diamonds.
Do you know what I can make?
Diamond pickaxe.
I can make a diamond sword.
Wait, ready? Oh.
Okay,
Right,
there's
goodbye,
pizza.
Metal Gamer.
There's pizza.
I'm jumping.